While nursing can be a time-consuming job, you might have a few extra hours in the week that you like to fill with supplemental income. So depending on your specific line of work, you could have time for a part-time job or just a couple of hours here and there throughout your week. If you're trying to make more money and you're already tried asking for a raise or moving up to a higher paying position, then a side hustle might be on your radar. Hello guys, you're welcome to the Passive Income channel where we talk about money non-stop. As a six-figure affiliate marketer with 7 years of experience and also starting up several successful businesses, I'm going to be sharing with you tips and ways you can earn money passively. So do well to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell if you want to see more videos from me that will change your financial life. Here are some of the top side hustles for nurses you might be interested in. So number one, we have a CPR teacher. Your nursing background can give you another advantage in terms of finding a side hustle. So consider working as a CPR instructor at your local YMCA, Red Cross, or community health clinic. Administering CPR is one of the most fundamental duties of any nursing professional, so it's not like it will require extra schooling or research on your part. On average, a CPR instructor makes anywhere between $10 and $20 an hour. This might not be much, but it's just supplemental income in addition to your full-time nursing job. Considering that it's a low-stress side hustle, that's not a bad compensation. So besides CPR, you may be able to teach classes in nutrition, fire safety, diabetes, or any other number of health-related areas. It will depend on your exact background, degrees, and certifications, but organizations such as the YMCA and Red Cross are always looking for healthcare professionals who are willing to instruct simple classes for the public. It can be a rewarding way to spend your time while also making some extra money. Number two, we have the seasonal flu clinic aid. Not all side hustles need to take place at home though. You might want to consider helping out at a community health center or public clinic during the cold and flu season. Over 131 million people in the United States get a flu shot every year, which means that clinics are going to be busy coming winter time. So this is especially true for public clinics and health centers that offer discounted or free vaccinations. You could make some extra money just in time for the holidays too by working part-time at one of these centers or offices. As a nurse, you will already have the expertise necessary for educating patients and administering vaccinations. Plus, you'll be making a positive contribution to your community, but note that the pay can be quite competitive. Number three, tutoring services. Along the same lines, you could also think about becoming a tutor. There are all kinds of subjects that people are willing to pay a tutor for. Given that nursing isn't always the easiest degree to obtain, you could make some extra cash helping out student nurses. So for sure, someone in college or grad school probably won't be able to pay you big bucks, but you would be surprised at what individuals are actually willing to pay for a tutor. So a tutor could make anywhere from $10 to $40 an hour, which can pay off if you stick with it. Plus, you will feel good knowing that you are helping out someone and also an upcoming nursing student. Number four, nurse clinical adjunct instructor. A clinical adjunct instructor is a nurse that works for a university or community college school of nursing. As a clinical adjunct, you are employed by the school on a part-time or contract basis. As a clinical adjunct, your job duties could vary. While you could end up teaching in a classroom, one of the primary responsibilities adjuncts are used for is to be clinical site instructors. As a clinical site instructor, you'll be with students during their clinicals and assisting them in their learning and journey through nursing school. Number five, we have the nurse health coach. So the Institute of Integrative Nutrition defines health coach as being a mentor who helps their client make informed decisions about food and life changes. The goal of the changes is so clients can feel better about themselves, and who is better qualified to guide patients through their health journey than a nurse? Some insurance companies offer wellness programs that include health coaching services. You can work with these companies to provide coaching services to their members. Also, you can also write articles or blog posts on health-related topics and submit them to health publications. Some publications pay for contributions, and this can be a way to establish yourself as an expert in your field and earn extra income. So hopefully, one of these hustles piqued your interest. If you are looking for more ways to make some extra cash, you should check out the videos recommended on the next slide, and also to see more videos from me that will change your financial life, make sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. See you in the next video.